So now we're in Tabanan and we're going to the waterfall. Eddie is our driver. Eddie, what is the waterfall called?
Waterfall called, the best one is Tukad Cepung.
Tukad. Beautiful. Here we are at the waterfall, about 90 stairs down and through a cave. Now I paint that. Should be good.
Yeah,
Let's go.
let's go, we do it.
Okay, that's that there. And then this one. So, then. There.
Yeah.
Where you guys from? Oh, nice! Beautiful. Okay. Okay, so that's good. That's good. Okay. Having a good day?
Excellent day.
Ah, beautiful. Okay.
The waterfall, famous in Bali, Clements Tukad Cepung. We call this waterfall is Tukad Cepung.
Beautiful.
Okay, starting to black.
Nice.
Yeah, black color is mean the basic color first.
So you've got to have black so that the light comes through.
Okay.
If you paint what you see, you lose it all becomes flat. You start with very, very dark and bring the light straight forward until you end up with white at the end and it comes three-dimensional.
Okay, great.
So, here, this one, I'm just going to do a little bit lighter.
Yeah,
Clements Artworks.
Clements Artworks. This Clements Artworks, the number 0417835544. Continue drawing.
Good. Where are you guys from?
Hello.
India.
Yes.
Yeah.
India.
Whereabouts in India?
They're from
Whereabouts in India?
which part in India? Mumbai?
Pune.
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 Yeah. Oi. You have been still Pune?
Yes, Pune. No, I haven't been. Maybe next year.
Yeah,
Maybe
sure.
next year.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay. You can come back later and it'll be ready in about half an hour, this one.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, it is.
Yeah, good.
Okay. So shade here now. Copy that. Do is change the palette over to more green. So we're going to go from this darker tone here, the field of canvas here, to a, we've got Brunswick green, we've got Hooker's green, And we've got, well, basically pine green. So 3 sorts of green. And let's see how we go now. We're going to work in the distance first and bring it forward as we come along. So let's have a look at that. So here, this one here will start in the distance. And we're just going to get the basic shapes down first. So I'm not too into any real structure, so it's got to be right. Maybe
Green color for the plant.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Showing the ferns in the distance. Just getting the shapes in now. Okay. This one. Probably a bit early, but right. Seems a bit of yellow light. Let's bring it together quickly. We're running out of time. How long have we got to go? 20 minutes.
Yeah.
20 minutes.
Beautiful place.
Coming together, isn't it?
Yeah.
What we'll do is we're going to put some brights now with the light hits through there.
Yes.
So there, look. Oh, not quite yet, just almost. Light hitting this side, so it'll come through on that side there. And the highlight is coming through this beautiful tree here. So we're going to have to bring that forward later. But for now, that bush goes all the way back into the distance. I'm not interested in the tree fern yet, but I will. I'll get it later. Okay, nice. I'm going to put some lights in there, into the forest. So it's beautiful black here. And then we've got the light here. Don't too bright yet. So here's reflections of water coming down there like that, and that water here reflects into here. You see? So it comes like that. That's in shadow there because it's behind the rock, you know.
Yeah.
Running out of white, not just white. That's okay. Something like that.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Oh look, more people watch, look. Say hello.
Good center. So, you finished.
10 minutes. Oh, 15 now. It's about 10 minutes to finish, yeah. I've got to go and ride the elephant. Sorry, Eddie.
2:25 now.
Oh, thank you. 2:25.
Missing 20 minutes.
Okay. We go in 5 minutes.
Yeah, great.
5 minutes. Ah, better than picture. You get that one, Eddie?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, it's really good. Very beautiful.
That's me there, Clements Artworks. See here on the back. You follow me on YouTube. Yeah, I'm all over the world. Yeah. It's almost weak now, it's cold. One day I'll give you one.
Excuse me, please.
What's your favourite colour?
Blue.
Oh, blue.
Blue.
High five, blue. Okay, let's put some blue in it. Wow. What do you do? What's your favourite colour?
Blue.
Blue. Oh, more blue.
Yeah, actually we are diverse.
Look at that blue actually.
Yeah, I know. How long it will take for finish?
5 minutes. I've got to go. I've got to do Waterfall. Other things to do.
Where come from?
Australia.
Are you professional?
Huh?
Professional?
Later.
Are you professional? Professional?
Oh, professional. Yeah, professional.
You must be famous.
I'm going to put people in it later. Maybe here. Very good model. Hey, stay over there. Hey, can you get here? Right here. You're my model.
Oh, that's nice.
I'll paint you in it.
How long does it stay?
5 minutes.
Walking that way. Yeah, stop. Okay, got him in the video?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Whoa. Oh, walking. Stop. There. Perfect. Okay. Oh, a bit to the left. Move to the left. Ah, good. Stop. Here. Maybe here. Maybe. So that one. Oh no, that move. What? Swing your arms like you're walking. Yeah, stop. Stop me. Yeah. You moved again. Oh, stop moving. Ah, hang on. Ah, he's down there. There. Okay, then light here. Hang on. Okay, good. What's your name? You're my model. What's your name? John. John. You're going to be immortalised, John. Everyone like it? This so far? Turn around, John. You're a good model, actually.
From the back.
I'll have to detail it later. We're running out of time. How much time we got?
2:30.
2:30.
Yeah.
All right, John. You. Just wait. Wait. We've got to go, Eddie. We're running out of time. Make sure you get his hand. Video it later.
Yeah, missing the hand.
Oh, no, you don't need your hand. Here.
2 minutes.
I'll finish him later. That's all for now. Okay. Hey! Alright, there you go. Okay, 10. Do a countdown, Eddie.
Yeah, Phil.
10, 9, 8, 7,
6,
5,
4,
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay,
finishing.
we've got to go. We run out of time. Okay, let's go.
Beautiful.
Where are you from?
Russia.
Oh, Russia, nice.
О, смотри. Он не снимал, да?
Oh
my God.
You like? You like? Yeah. Oh, Cordeline, beautiful plant. So nice. Let's have a little break here. Another 60 steps up that way. Almost there. Got to keep going. Don't want to be late for the elephants. Okay. Are you happy? Yeah, good. Thank you. And I'll enjoy. Yeah, I'm going to do a painting on the elephant. So let's see how that goes. Wish me luck. Thank you. What a beautiful location. Wow, this is about 50 paintings in one here. Every bush, every tree. Beautiful. I could do so much with this area. I could spend the rest of my life here just painting. Just one bit. Absolutely awesome. Wow. Oh, okay, lovely. Thank you. What a beautiful location. What have we got there? Oh, porcupine. Can you take video in there?
Yes, hello.
There's video in there.
For Kopil.
Yeah, behind cage. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
No, you like
Oh, yeah. That colour, blue colour. Yeah, nice. Yeah, good. Perfect, thank you. Good afternoon now. I'm going to do painting on elephant. Oh, don't go anywhere, Betty.
This one, not so high.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now, what we do, hold this here.
You right pass.
Yeah. Okay. Video me. Thank you. You been to this waterfall?
Yes. Oh, I love that one.
So Targul's just telling me, how old is the elephant? How old is Laura?
Laura is all 33.
33. She's a little elephant, isn't she? She's small. Or is this normal size for Bali elephant? And how old do they live for?
Seem like human.
Oh, about 80. Uh-huh. So she's she's not middle-aged yet. Yeah. She's lovely. She's beautiful. A 40 at stop. Ah, I see. So it's not about 40. Oh, okay. Thank you, Margaret. Yeah, cool. Thank you, Targan. Thank you, Targan, and thank you, Laura. Oh, beautiful. If you look at the picture I'm working from, it's pretty well, probably 200 meters or so. So, got a viewer. Hello, Halloween. You lovely girl. Look at her. Halloween. Halloween. Not taking notice. She wants to come in, but, well, not today, my friend. Maybe later. Now, continuing on our merry way. So, if I look at, just move my tripod, which is annoying. Okay, I'll just reposition it now. Okay, so, So using one of my favourite brushes, which is the Tishler again, and some burnt umber, titanium white, and a touch of red. Use this sort of tone here. I'm just going to hopefully put in the distant So as a final thing on the painting, what I might just do is use a bit of orange and some other colours just to indicate the presence of some of the leaves. There's these beautiful leaves that are yellow and orange that have fallen into the painting. So just using a palette knife, just see how this works. It may not even work, but we'll just see sort of some weird little shapes that come out of the water. So I'll work on that, and I might even do my signature in orange, only because it looks really cool, and then I might call it finished. So happy days. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly had a lot of fun making it, and that actually is the final painting that I ended up doing in Bali on my trip. But of course I'm back in Australia now in Mount Gambier, so I've had a little chance just to be able to work on it. But I thought, what a fantastic idea. Finish the waterfall down at the bottom of the the valley there with all the people watching and all that sort of cool things going on. But then when I completed that day, of course, getting on an elephant and actually not just holding the painting up, I was actually painting that waterfall on the elephant. And I thought that was cool, and it gave so much joy to all the people that saw it. So I hope you enjoyed it. This is one of my other paintings. There's other things that I do. This is actually Avatar. It goes all the way along You can see it goes all the way along down here. This is actually, you know, one of the creatures, six-legged horse and so forth. You know, you can kind of see that. So this is, I guess, what I do when I'm not painting Bali. So now, if you'd like what you see and you'd like to come along on the next journey, which I've got booked for 2024, around June, let me know. Let me know in the comments, and we can have a chat worldwide. I do this all over the world. So once again, thank you and God bless.